These coaches, these teachers, these mentors, these life coaches are very important that we continue to keep them in our kids' life. I think that's how important the Levy is, and only to emphasize that this is not something that has come up today or that we're trying to spring on anybody, or that this is new. This is not new. This is something we're trying to renew, that we're trying to make work the best we can for our kids. The state, the government, they don't pay for everything in our school system. They may help us get our books and maybe fix our building, but our teachers, like I said, those very important role models to our team, to our canoe, to the way that we live this life, that these people are very important, that they're in my kid's life, so that when he grows up and he's my age, that he's going to have the same tools and the same resources, and be able to fill his tool belt so that he can live in both worlds, right? That's ultimately my goal, is for my son to know that, everybody from Whatcom County to Skagit, I consider them all family and friends. We coexist, we live together. There's a lot of stuff that may have happened in the past. I choose to look forward and continue to pave a way, for our young youth and our kids, so that, I heard it said great, continue to be the role model. That's what you do first, be a role model here first before you can go on and be bigger and better things. And that's what I focus on every day for my kids.